Artificial intelligence, the rise of thinking machines. In a world powered by data, driven by algorithms, and guided by machines that seem to think, one question rises above all others. What exactly is artificial intelligence, and how far will it go? From your smartphone's voice assistant to self-driving cars, from Netflix recommendations to medical breakthroughs, AI is already shaping your life, whether you realize it or not. Today, we'll uncover how AI began, how it works, its biggest breakthroughs, and what the future might hold for humanity in the age of intelligent machines. Part 1: The origin of artificial intelligence. The dream of creating a thinking machine is not new. It began centuries ago, in myths and imagination. Ancient Greek legends spoke of Hephaestus, the god of invention, crafting metal servants who could move and think. But it wasn't until the 20th century that this dream started turning into science. In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing, often called the father of AI, asked a groundbreaking question. Can machines think? Turing proposed the Turing test, a simple idea: if a machine could hold a conversation indistinguishable from a human, it could be called intelligent. Just a few years later, in 1956, a group of scientists gathered at Dartmouth College in the US for a summer workshop. They called their new field artificial intelligence. That meeting marked the official birth of AI. Their goal? To create machines that could learn, reason, and solve problems, just like humans. At first, optimism was sky-high. Early AI programs could play chess, solve math puzzles, and even prove theorems. But computers were slow, data was scarce, and memory was tiny. By the 1970s, AI entered what became known as the AI winter, a period of fading interest and funding. But the dream didn't die. It was simply waiting for the right technology to awaken it. Part 2: How AI works, the mind inside the machine. To understand AI, let's start with a simple idea: learning from data. Imagine showing thousands of pictures of cats to a computer. At first, it has no clue what a cat looks like. But over time, it starts noticing patterns: fur texture, ear shape, eyes, whiskers. Eventually, it can recognize a cat in a photo it has never seen before. This process is called machine learning, the backbone of modern AI. In machine learning, instead of giving computers step-by-step instructions, we feed them data and let them find the rules themselves. And the most powerful form of this? Deep learning. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, computer systems inspired by the human brain. Each neuron passes signals to the next, layer by layer, until the system learns to make predictions, from recognizing speech to detecting cancer in medical scans. Let's break it down. Input layer: the data goes in, like an image or text. Hidden layers: the network analyzes patterns and features. Output layer: the system gives an answer: that's a dog, or that's spam. These networks can have millions or even billions of parameters, making them astonishingly powerful, but also mysterious. That's why AI is often called a black box. Even experts don't always know how it reaches its conclusions. And this complexity leads us to both incredible possibilities and serious challenges. Part 3: The AI Revolution, from labs to life. Fast forward to the 21st century. With massive data, faster processors, and cloud computing, AI suddenly exploded into the mainstream. Let's explore a few key areas where AI is transforming the world. 1. Healthcare. AI systems can scan thousands of X-rays in seconds, spotting tumors that even skilled doctors might miss. In 2020, researchers developed AI models that could detect breast cancer and COVID-19 with remarkable accuracy. 2. Transportation. Self-driving cars use cameras, radar, and neural networks to analyze their surroundings, making real-time driving decisions. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are racing toward fully autonomous vehicles. 3. Education. AI tutors can now personalize learning for every student, adjusting lessons based on strengths, weaknesses, and pace. 4. Finance. AI algorithms manage billions of dollars in stock trades every day, detect fraud, and even predict market trends. 5. Entertainment and media. Every time you open Netflix, YouTube, or Spotify, AI is at work. It studies what you watch, how long you watch, and what you skip, then predicts what you'll love next. Even the video you're watching right now may have been recommended by an AI. 6. Generative AI. And then came a revolution within the revolution, generative AI. Models like GPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney can create human-like text, art, music, and even video, all from a few words of instruction. We've entered an era where AI isn't just analyzing data, it's creating. Part 4. The Promise and the Peril. Every great invention carries both promise and peril. Artificial intelligence is no exception. On one hand, AI could solve humanity's greatest challenges: disease, poverty, climate change. On the other, it could also amplify inequality, eliminate jobs, and even threaten democracy. Let's look at both sides. The promise. AI can help farmers predict crop failures. It can help scientists discover new medicines. It can translate languages in real time, and even assist people with disabilities. With the right guidance, AI could make the world more efficient, inclusive, and connected than ever before. The peril. But without regulation, AI could become dangerous. Algorithms can carry bias, discriminating in hiring, policing, or lending. Deepfakes can spread misinformation and erode trust in what's real. Automation can replace millions of jobs, leaving societies unprepared. And beyond all this lies the most debated question of all. Could AI one day surpass human intelligence? Part 5. The Quest for Artificial General Intelligence. Today's AI is narrow. It can perform specific tasks extremely well, but it doesn't truly understand them. But scientists are chasing something far more ambitious: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. An AGI would think, reason, and learn like a human, or perhaps, beyond human. It could design technology, discover science, and even improve itself. Some believe AGI is still centuries away. Others say we could reach it within decades. But one thing is certain: once machines become as intelligent as we are, the future will never be the same. Will they be our greatest partners, or our biggest mistake? Part 6. The Future of Humans and Machines. Despite the fears, the story of AI is ultimately the story of human ingenuity. We built these systems. We decide their purpose. And we can shape how they serve us. The future of AI will depend not just on technology, but on ethics, education, and empathy. Governments and scientists are now building AI ethics frameworks to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability. Companies are developing AI safety research to align AI systems with human values. And schools around the world are teaching kids not just how to use AI, but how to think about it critically, creatively, and responsibly. Because the truth is, AI doesn't have to replace us. It can empower us. Closing. Artificial intelligence is not the end of human creativity, it's the next chapter. A mirror reflecting both our brilliance and our flaws. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already has. The real question is, what kind of world will we build with it?